Hello active Borneo viewers. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to Mikrotik blog website by URL. And in this example, we will block a website that is a Facebook. But of course, we will not block other websites, only Facebook. And stay tuned. Don't forget to like and share if you like this video. Okay, in here I have a note for Mikrotik blog website by URL. Step number 1 is test open a website. Number 2, add Mikrotik firewall layer 7. The third, we will add a firewall rules. And then the last, we will test again open a website. Okay, step number 1, we will test by you open a Facebook. Well, I already opened the Facebook, so I will reload it. And it's worked perfectly. Okay, move to step number 2. On this step, we will open the winbox and then in IP firewall layer 7 protocol, add new Regex XP with name Facebook, and then Regex XP you can copy on description below. Well, in this step, we only mark the packet. Well, move to step number 3. We will block that packet we already make on step 2. Still on firewall, change to filter on the left. And then a chain is forward. Source address is our network. Protocol, of course, we'll using TCP. On tab advanced, at layer 7 protocol is Facebook that we add before. And then on action, drop. Well, the last step is reload the Facebook. Well, the Facebook is not respond, so our rule is just work. There's other way to check our rules is work or not. On firewall, you can see there's a bytes. That is mean the rules is just work. Okay, that's all. If you have question, you can ask on comment below. And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe our video so we can still make other video. And thank you.